Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. We've made some progress since the last little update. Been working really hard trying to get this thing going. So the car is painted now, and it is ultraviolet purple. It's kind of been my dream color forever, and not very many cars came factory from Porsche with the color, mainly just like the 2016 RS. And I did some digging, and I can't find any 997s. I found one, I think, in the UK that was painted ultraviolet, but it's what I wanted. It's unique and it's on brand. So we did a proper paint job on this car. You guys saw it when it was stripped down. We were sanding everything, and like I mentioned in the previous videos, is there's a lot of stuff that Porsche doesn't paint, and there's no reason to paint from factory that we actually did paint. Like even down these fender well areas, all through here, Porsche stops painting is kind of just primer to there, but everything through here is painted and clear coated. All through the front area, through the battery tray area, all that's painted, clear coated. Underneath here on the front side, wrapping around, all that's painted. Porsche, mainly this was kind of a mixture of primer and then some silver faded up in there, but we went through and painted every single piece in here purple and clear coated everything. And same with inside here, blew the purple in there, clear coated inside there to give it a nice protection barrier. Rear fender well is kind of hard to see because wheels are on it right now to roll it, but it's all painted clear coated underneath there. Same with the engine bay. Porsche doesn't really paint much of the engine bay, mainly it's just this back strip right here that's painted, but this is actually painted all up inside there and clear coated. The paint job itself, I think we were in the booth for 4 hours painting. Most cars you can get away with like 2 quarts of base, get it covered. We actually put 7 quarts of base down in this car because it was just soaking it in so much. Got it with 2 heavy coats of clear, and what we'll do now is, at least for the next part of the paint process, is we're going to assemble the car. The roof's getting clear coated now, but either way we're going to assemble the car, bumpers, doors. I'll put the interior in, put the engine in, pretty much get it all together. Then after that's done, we'll go back, any imperfection on the car, fix anything that might happen in the assembly process, because it's bound to happen. After that, we'll get everything fixed, sanded out, what needs to be done. We're going to shoot the outside of the car again with color, and then hammer back over with probably 2 to 3 more coats of clear. And then after that's done, we'll do a cut and buff, make it perfect. But this is the first step. As far as the inside, the front, fender wells, all that stuff that's all. That's all the paint that is getting. Just the exterior, we'll get some more paint. So next step for me is I need to get this car back on the lift, and I have the front and rear subframes in just because I didn't feel comfortable bringing the car back on dollies. It probably would have been fine, but I felt better having it on wheels just in case. I'm going to end up pulling the subframes back off and then start installing. I'm going to start with the wiring harness, get that all ran through, and then I still need to find knuckles. So this is a turbo car, which is all-wheel drive, and when you convert it to rear-wheel drive, it's best to go ahead and get the GT3 knuckles because it's a better angle for the strut, because that all-wheel drive is a different angle and it wears out top hats, geometry, and all that stuff. So I'm going to order GT3 RS knuckles, and we're going to do center locks. So we're going to get all that coming. I've got some feelers out on some wheels, center lock wheels. So we'll try to get those ordered. Also working with a company right now on we were going to go with the GT3 RS deck lid, but I've kind of switched that up. I got something in the works for a deck lid and wing. Hopefully know within the next week or so on that. And then still waiting on the hood and front and rear bumpers. But I want to get the car pretty much together, fitting it properly. I still need to get the turbo sent off to Pure, and a couple of small things there. But you know, over the next couple weeks, I won't be spending as much time on this. I think just in prep, body work, paint work, I've been, over the past couple weeks, I'm probably 150 hours into it, and I've got to kind of step back and get back and do actual work. So be kind of a slower process for the next little bit, but as we get new parts kind of rolling in, we'll show you guys and go through what we're doing. But yeah, I hope you guys like the color. I love it, and I think it's such a beautiful color, and it's so unique, especially the 911. And the 997 to me is the perfect platform. It's the last of the manual turbos, and it's going to start being extremely appreciated. And this is going to be the one. This is going to be built properly, built right, and it's going to be pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about it. If you guys have any questions, comments, I'm open to suggestions as far as wheels go. I'm thinking I'm a BBS guy, probably some BBS FIR, something along that line. I'm not sure yet, but I'm open to suggestions there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned.